2 by 3 plus y upon b to 2 by 3. Parametric form is x equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to b sin cube theta. So dx is equal to 3a cos square theta into minus sin theta. Using the formula y dx, so we get what is y? B sin cube theta into dx will be 3a cos square theta into minus sin theta d theta. Now limits will be from pi by 2 to 0. How it happened? Because x equal to a cos cube theta, lower limit 0, 0 is equal to a cos cube theta. It means theta is equal to pi by 2. So lower limit. Similarly, upper limit is a equal to a cos cube theta. So we will get theta is equal to 0. So this can again be written as 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. This is nothing but 3ab cos square theta into sin to the power 4 theta d theta. Applying the formula 3ab, this can be written as 4 minus 1 into 4 minus 3. Next one, 2 minus 1 divided by, this is 6 and this is 6 minus 2 will give you 4 and 4 minus 2 will give you 2 into pi by 2. So this will give you 3ab into 3 into 1 into 1 into pi by 2 divided by 6 into 4 into 2. So this 3 and 3 will cancel and we get 2 2s are 4, 4 for 16, 16 2 is 32, 32 into 3. But we talk about total area 4 times because if we try to draw the graph of it, the graph looks like this. So this is the graph of given graph for this curve and this point is a comma 0, this point is 0 comma b. So this is a total shaded area. So 4 parts. So this will give you 3 pi ab by 8 square units. Option C. I repeat once again. X equal to a cos cube theta, y equal to b sin cube theta, dx is 3a cos square theta minus sin theta. Formula is a to b y dx. Now pi by 2 to 0, b sin cube theta, 3a cos square theta minus sin theta d theta. Y x equal to 0 equal to a cos cube theta, theta equal to pi by 2. X equal to a cos cube theta, theta is equal to 0. So pi by 2 to 0, we interchange because due to minus sign, 0 to pi by 2. So I can write the step. This is step 1, this is step 2, this is step 3, this is step 4, and this is step 5, and this is step 6, and this is step 7. Using the formula cos square theta sin to the power 4 dd theta, when the combination 4 and 2 both are even numbers, so last term will be pi by 2. According to that, we get 3 pi ab by 8 square units. Option C.